Hello guys, this is day 7 of my 365 AI tool challenge, and today I'm going to explore Gamma AI, which can help you make a presentation just in few seconds. So right now, if I have to make a presentation, I need to open PowerPoint and then sit there thinking what to write, and even a small presentation takes so much time. And so we can fix that now with a Gamma AI. And instead of building a slide myself, I can just describe what I want. Look for Gamma AI in any browser and search. You can find at gamma.app, and we can start with a sign up. So let's start for free here, and you can continue to Google. And if you have already signed up before, you can just sign in using your email address. So now let's start with the Google. So you can see I already signed up with my Google, and this is my workspace. So this is where everything starts, and we can see here Gamma is asking us how you want to create a presentation. So basically there are a few different ways depending on what you already have. So the first one is you can generate from the you can use a one line prompt to generate just you can just see in a few seconds, and this is the most popular. All right, so this is where everything starts here. Alright, so this is where everything starts. So you can see here, Gamma is asking us how you want to create your presentation. So basically there are a few different ways depending on what you already have. The first option is the generate. You can just create a presentation from one line prompt in just few seconds. And the second option is just paste in text. In case if you have already not, you can just use second option. And the third one is for the template, and the fourth and last one is a you can give your own file and you can prepare your presentation. And let's go step by step. So option one, the generate. So this is the easiest option, so let's try this one. So here you just type one idea. You can write anything, you can say anything, and AI build the whole presentation for you. So for example, so I can just type something like this. So describe what you like to make. So I'll just say what just I can say anything, but I'll just write AI trend in 2026. So, and you can see just by typing 3-4 words we can get your presentation, and it didn't take more than like 3 seconds, and you can see the result. So we got 10 slide by default, but if you click on add card you can get more. So I'll try too many card. Your content is generating more card than your plan alone. So with the free plan you can only create 10 cards. So let's skip those 10 cards for this presentation, and I'll click on generate. See, now you can see our presentation slide is ready. So the first slide is the intro. AI in 2026, from experimentation to industrialization. So the era of proof of concept is over. 2026 is the year AI become infrastructure, reshaping how organizations complete, operate, and grow. So you got second slide, the rise of agentic AI. It's multimodal. Its model go mainstream. See, so our presentation is ready now. So we got say 5, 6, 7, 8. You can see how beautiful the slide is. All right, so now we can move to the next one. So you can just go to the home page, click on go back, and so go back again. Just go to the home page, and you can click on create new again, and you can go with the second option, paste in text. So this one is suitable in case you already have notes, or you have a content from a chat GPT from somewhere else. You can paste here. For example, I'm going to write, so I got the content from chat GPT, and it's about the fitness, and I can just now paste, and I can generate from notes or outline, or I can also summarize long text or document. So let's go with the first option. Let's get the PowerPoint, not PowerPoint, I mean let's get the presentation now. You can choose minimal, concise, detail, everything. So now we are, now our power, not power, our presentation is getting ready now. So we can see our the you can see the slide. We already got the five slide, and it's creating more. Whew. Yeah, it's almost done now. Now we can move to the different next one. So next one we have, it will take maybe few 1 or 2 minutes more to finish other two cards. So now you know already, so now you can move to the next one. So go back again, go back, and now you can choose a template now. So with the template, um, you can choose any template from the list. So let's go with the first one. I'll just go with the first one, winning your scholarship. So this is the template, and you can edit, or you can do whatever you want here. So this is the content here on left side, and on the right side is the you can see the preview how it will look like. So all right, so now we can move to the last one. So last one, we have an import file or URL. You can import your own file. So for example, I'm going to upload the file. So I already have one file. Let's browse the file. So I uploaded the file from my computer, and let's say now let's generate. So we can I can so what would like to create with the content, I'm going to make a presentation. So click on the first option, and now we can see our presentation will be ready in just few seconds. So now we can choose the style. We can make a minimal, concise, or detailed, or extensive. For this one, I'm going to choose minimal, and let's You can also change the visual. So we can check theme. So what theme you want, I can go with maybe the second one, and let's select. And now also we can also check one of this. So let's go with the AI image, and I'm gonna choose Moody for this one, and format, and the presentation card design. I'll make this one. So I can only go with classic because the free version doesn't support studio. So let's click classic, and now we can I'm going to get only like 6. Okay, now you can see our presentation ready. So what is personal branding, how others see you, why it matters, how to build online presence, real reward proof. So now we can see our presentation is ready. Mm, So today we explored 4 different way of creating a presentation. The first one was you can just give a prompt and you can get your presentation done in just few seconds. And then second one was you can just copy and paste your content. And the third one, you can choose your layout, any layout. And the fourth one, you can just upload your file and you can get your presentation done. I think, yeah, that's all for today, and I'll see you tomorrow with another AI tool.